Today we're going to show you our new game Shark Bite. Welcome back to Outside Mud Pies, and if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button.
On our channel, we teach you how to become a big kid and how to have fun.
Today we picked up Shark Bite when we went to the store. Why did you pick out Shark Bite? Because it looks fun.
How many players is Shark Bite?
2 to 4 players.
I can't wait to play.
Me too.
Okay.
We got these.
This looks
fun.
fun. I need the scissors.
You want me to go get the scissors? Hey! Thank you, God.
This is amazing. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Where are the...
Guacamole. Oh, that's the stuff to put in the shark's mouth, I think.
Yeah, wait, how are we supposed to get this out?
Elizabeth is just so happy that she's doing that unboxing video.
I don't even... Wait. How am I supposed to get this out?
I get a weird feeling every time I hear the little scrumbling sound, whatever it's called.
Oh, okay, I see this.
I feel hurt. Oh, Jesus. That shark looks mad. Very mad. And do you think this comes with batteries?
Probably. Oh, God.
Oh, I think it's like a thing where you have to lean it back until it clicks.
Whoa.
I thought it was going to be like weird.
Okay, here are the instructions. Okay. Okay, it says playing the game. The youngest player goes first, and then the game continues clockwise. On your turn, you roll the dice and indicate how many sea creatures you can catch. Using your fish rod, hook one sea creature at a time. You can choose whatever sea creature you would like, but once you have hooked one, you must pull it. If nothing happens after you catch all of your fish, the game continues. When the shark jumps, the round is over, and the player who has collected the most fish is the winner. When you play for the first time, place the sticker on the dice and the eye and on the shark.
It said something about pushing the shark's jaw down until it locks onto the base. Right?
Oh, yeah. Open the shark's jaws and push them down until they lock into the base.
I just tried that.
Here, where?
See?
Supposed to... I don't know. Wait. Okay. Now we have to push 12 sea creatures into the holes between the jaws until you hear it click.
So you want to open this?
Yeah, sure.
That's, I wonder what you're going to put in your coffee. Put in like a dolphin or something?
Dolphin.
Oh, is that a crab? Oh, there's a scorpion? Sorry, I'm a little dumb in the movie if you didn't know that.
Extra.
Shout out to my friend Tina.
They're so weird.
We got 1, 2. Oh, go. 1, 2.
Here are the stickers. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this goes on the dice. This goes on the top. You guys can place them down into the holes until they click.
Next
I'm
one.
gonna do this.
I have a feeling I'm not like putting them in, right?
You have to place them down to the click. That's what it said.
I'm gonna get pinched.
By the left stick. Okay, let's get a Lizzy, whatever this is. Just making sure all of them are. Oh, there's only one more. And Lizzy got it.
Oh, ching.
You think there's an on button?
Maybe.
I think I just saw it.
I don't know. Never mind. Maybe
Let's place the eyes on it. Right there. Good job, Elizabeth. You're nailing this.
Are you sure it's the right way?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, right there. I'm not trying to like tell you what to do. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go fishing today. Ooh. Okay, there we go.
I thought it was gonna be a game.
There's the dice. Okay, now there's one more thing. It's the reminders. It says, okay, the reminders say, when you have hooked a fish, make sure to pull upwards in a firm motion. If you have no more fish left and the shark has not jumped, simply reset the shark by placing the fish back into the base. Caution, please instruct children to keep their faces at least 12 inches away from the shark mouth to avoid being struck when he jumps.
Elizabeth,
What?
you realize there's only 2 fishing boats, so you realize we're gonna
You guys can go first.
Really?
Mm.
No, it's your unboxing video. You should go first. You two, since you guys both girls. I'm a boy. 1 fish so far. Hopefully I don't get the one that activates it right away. I got him. Accident.
Okay.
There you go. Don't forget to roll. 1 fish. Your lucky day has come. Oh, you got him, Larry the lobster. Oh, Larry the lobster. 2 fish. Holy moly. Wait, didn't you just get that one? No, I got that one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this guy. He's pretty skinny, so he doesn't deserve to be. Ooh. What? 1. Cool. I have a feeling one of my hands right here is gonna go and just bite my hand.
Wanna go?
Yeah. There it is. 1 fish.
It looks like it's
still got
scared.
I knew it was going
And that's how you play Shark Bite.
Thank you. Please like if you like this game and watch our other videos.
Don't forget to turn on your notifications.
Please leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about this game.
See you soon.
Holy Jesus, scared the crap out of me.